This video, I show you how to earn free PayPal money by just watching videos, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online simply watching videos. So you can be one of the first to use it, thus, of course, make the more money. Let me ask you one question. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like me, you probably watch videos on the YouTube all the time. Did you know that you can actually make money online just by doing exactly that? Just for the videos that you watch on YouTube, you can earn up to $26.25 per click. With this technique, all you need are your laptop or computer and an internet connection. You can even do this with just your smartphone. The best thing about this technique is that this is 100% free, so you don't need to make any investments to get started. This is available everywhere in the world, so no matter which country you're from, you can do this and earn money correspondingly. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will permit you to earn double or even triple more cash compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching continue all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. Let's go on to YouTube right now and search for a plank tutorial. You can see that there are many dissimilar results. You can also see that these types of videos have millions and millions of views. Now let's utilize these videos so that we can earn money in today's technique. The next thing that you are going to do is go to Google and type in adfork.us. Then press on the search button. There are numerous results that you can see right here, but I want you to click on this first link. This is the front page of the website. In this website, you can basically shrink, share and earn. Here you can shrink some URLs and share them on the internet and earn a lot of cash. So let's give this a try. Go on YouTube. And let's use this video right now as an example. Scroll down below and you will find this share button right here. I want you to click on the share button so you can see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. And every time people click on this link right here, they will be routed to this exact video. Once you copy this link, I want you to go back to adfork.us and then paste your link right here to make it smaller. This website basically makes a long URL into a smaller one. Once a person clicks on the link, you are going to earn a lot of money. If people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you get to earn over $10. If people from the United States click on your link, you get to earn over $20. And this is a very good opportunity to earn money online, just by sharing a simple link on the internet. Right now I will show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. You can just go ahead and click on this sign up button right here. Then this window will pop up where it says join adfork.us. All you have to do is type in the data needed like email and password. Then just click on this I am not a robot box right here. And this adfork.us terms and conditions and privacy policy box and then click on the join now button. Once you log into your account, you can see this small message right here that says you have unfinished account information. Please update your account information in order to get paid. It is important to update your brand new account so that you can get paid when you cash out your earnings. Just click on this account settings link right here and then you will land on this page that says account information. This is where you can update the info that is needed for your brand new account. Just fill in your name, address, city, state, zip code and country. As you can see here, they are available everywhere in the world. Now you can proceed and complete the information demanded. When you're done, then just click on this update information right here. This website pays out using PayPal so that it's very appropriate and easy for you. When you update your information, you can scroll down below right here on the automatic withdrawal section. You can read it here that you can enable this option to automatically request a payment every month. It is very important for you to enable this option right here. So, after you click on enable, click this update setting button right here. So now I will show you the payout rates by area. You can see that when public from the United States click on your link, you are going to earn over $20. and win public from, let's say, Nepal. Click on your link. You are going to earn over $1. That's a $19 difference, and it's really huge. Stay tuned and watch the video until the termination, because I will show you how to overcome this range. You can see here that there are a lot of viral videos for doing planking. For example, this video right here. Let's scroll down below and click on this share button right here. And then this window will pop up. Click on this copy button. Now let's go back to adfork.us and paste the link on this box right here. Once you paste the link, click on this shrink button. This website will automatically shorten the link that you pasted. Now, I want you to repeat this technique 5 times. I want you to find 5 videos and copy the link of those videos and shorten them on this website. If you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. Now let's get back to our video. The next thing that you are going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very legendary website because a lot of public come on here to learn how to lose weight and be healthy. When you scroll down below, you can see here many posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. A lot of people are putting up some posts on this website. You can see here the views of each post. And a lot of people are viewing these posts right here. For example, many of posts have over 10,000 views on this website. First thing that I want you to do when you go onto this website is to click on button right here. You can see here that you can actually select various countries. Now, click on the United States, because when people from the United States click on your link, you are going to earn over $20. And that is very wonderful. For example, this post right here, you can click on that so that you know what the hot topics are right now and to know more about this post. You can see here that in this post, the people are leaving links that lead to videos. This is a very good technique to get traffic and to get many people around the world to click on your link. Right now, share with you a planking post template so that you can get an idea on what to post on these forums. First, I give out data about planking. You can search on Google for that, and when you scroll down, you can see here that I put up the links that lead to this planking tutorial videos. I advise that you put up 5 or more videos so that you can earn more money when people click on your links. In that way, you earn more money in much smaller